Welcome, my dear viewers, to my cooking channel. Marilyn Korea here once more with you. And today I'm going to make a very interesting chutney. It is called the tomato chutney. I will heat the vessel. It's kept on high flame. And this particular dish, which is chutney, tomato chutney, requires a little more oil. So I'm going to put 6 teaspoons of coconut oil, my favorite coconut oil. 6 teaspoons. Since the oil is hot, I can put in my ingredients. This is mustard. See, say 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a little bit of urid dal, it's a little bit of gram dal. Reduce the flame, let it not get burnt. 2 fenugreek seeds, just a few, not much, it will turn bitter. Now the next set of ingredients here, 3 green chilies, a few coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Stir it. You can increase the flame to medium. These are 2 onions chopped. Stir it till it gets fried well and loses its raw aroma. You can make the flame medium. And these are chopped 6 tomatoes, ripe ones. I'll keep it aside. It has to fry well, okay? Slightly reddish it has to become. Okay. Salt to taste. Small teaspoon of my dry coriander powder, 2 heaped teaspoon of red masala, a little more, fodeta, stir it well, put in the tomatoes. See that it is on the medium flame. Now this has to be cooked very well. I cannot tell you the timing because it has to become very soft. Put in some water because it should cook well. Cover it. Let it be on medium flame and cook for a long time. Okay, with this little spoon, my masala spoon, I'll put in turmeric. Let it cook. I'll just open to see how much it is cooked. It's on medium flame only. I have to smash it. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. The water also should evaporate, Zebra. Not all, but something. It is cooked. I'll put in the jaggery. So 1 you can do. Put, stir it. The jaggery will melt in it. Put in some chopped coriander. Enough. Stir it and put it off. Done. Put it up. Wait, I'm serving now.
No, what is the... Sorry.
Yes. My dear viewers, today I'm very happy that I made another lovely vegetarian dish for you all. This is the tomato chutney. You can still garnish it with coriander because it's herb and I like it. Can I do that? Little more. Very nice. The salt, the jaggery in it, and the sour taste of the tomatoes. You can eat it with your steamed rice or with your chapati, with anything. Okay? I'm tempted to use little greens on the top. Garnishing. Lovely. That's enough. I kept coriander for my dal. Suppose just one.